might find it. You're gonna be in some tall grass though. We don't hook one all day and then do it on the first tee. All right, good stuff. Good start. It's in the sand. I also missed it left. Wow.
This is not good.
You're good. You got this. That's better.
That was a rock. Oh, was that ever a rock?
Nice cut.
Nice putt, Steve.
Shooting a wedgie.
That was a hell of a ball. I got lucky. I
Shit.
got lucky.
Come get your phone.
Oh, God.
Uh-oh. Sends it.
I know, Payne. Come down. Backspin. Yeah, backspin. Nice shoot.
Thank you, sir.
Nice safe. Hit the green. Atta boy. I like it. I like it.
Hana Bucs.
Oh, good ball. Take a kick.
Don't go down the hill. Hit it. Oh. Why aren't we pulling the pin? It was right edge and I still didn't commit to it. That's a shooting 5.
I had a 5.
I'm hitting the 4. Because I don't like my 5 and I think lightening up on a hybrid's too much.
That could be really good.
That's a great ball. Dancing.
I think it's on the front edge too.
This side of that hill, right? Like the front side of that bank.
I hope so. I can't tell. It's too shiny. Let's have a look-see. Can I see it from here? It's right in the middle on the left-hand side. Let's give it a little tappy.
It's so much easier if the ball goes in the first time.
That's better. Be a big putt from there, but
Back of the hill.
it's like
I am just killing it.
Not excited. Too much muscle.
how does it break left? Turn. For fuck's sakes. Back-to-back 3 putts. Gross.
Oh my god, I'm hammering them. Like, I'm just gonna take a.
There, that goes.
There you go. I like that one.
Yeah. There you go. I feel like the grass throws me off by being too long.
Yeah, they gotta mow it down a little bit. It's looking good. Good ball. Now the question is, can I 3-putt again?
I don't think so. That's one Sean threw.
Like, I look at the way.
Like, how does that?
This course, I
mean, I suck at putting, but come on.
should be good. Thank you.
Am I good with that with the 3-wood?
Should be. Or just go left of it. Perfect. Good shot. God damn it. DB. Right down there with me.
Go in! Oh!
Nice shot. Good try, man.
That was so close. What a shot.
I'm not upset with that one. Tap it in, Steven. There you go, you can hold that.
4. Is this par 5?
Yeah.
That's a birdie. Tweet, tweet.
Was it? Nice.
Tweet, tweet.
Didn't move a minute. Sat right
That's looking nice.
Yeah, I like that. Vroom.
just trash. That ball went about 40 yards over the green. Nice shot.
Thanks.
Did it stay on the green?
Yeah.
How the hell did she go up there?
Well, it happened.
Right. Not much though.
It's going right.
I think it's or left.
Okay.
I think it's going left.
Okay.
How much? I couldn't tell you.
I
think it's gonna
don't
be,
have it much.
I think it's going to be just outside the cup. I think you were good, but you hit it too hard.
People are right on us. We can't really. Yeah. Yeah, if there's no one behind us, it'd be a little more.
wearing so many edges today. That's a little too far left. That one might be tricky. I cannot hit a fairway to save my life. Haven't found yours yet. That's another missed green. Just keep finding myself in trouble. We are just having a day out here in the grass. I'm all over the place right now. Can you bring my putter, please? My legs are just stuck with fucking thorns. And Steven didn't bring my putter.
That's about as good as she gets.
Oh, it's out? Yeah. Oh, shut up.
I mean, that's probably a good thing. That ball will be down by your feet.
That's great.
That's
Yeah, that should be perfect. Yep, that'll do. It's hard to see the balls come down with all that fluff flying around though. But good shot. That's not.
That's rude, John.
I'm sorry.
Rude comments. Huh? I said come back. He said that's not coming back.
Well, it's fading away.
I hate this stupid 5-iron. Always kills me. Good ball.
If it gets there, come on.
It stayed though.
Yeah, but oh man, that's 5 feet for being magical.
I would almost rather take. I mean, personally, I would rather take that.
Over being on the green?
Yeah.
I would have been 5 feet for birdie.
Yeah. But
Now I'm
I'd
chipping.
rather chip than putt. So.
Okay. Oh, go in. Aw, I was kidding.
That was a good chip.
That's a good chip.
from having to weasel it between 3 trees. Whoa, I touched a tree though. Go in, go in, go in! Oh! You want to put it in?
Oh, of course I do. That's a good chip.
That's a great chip. That's why I'd rather chip than putt. Because I feel more confident I can do that.
I mean, I've gotten slightly better at them, so.
Hit that brake, hit that brake. You're literally just at the top of that hill.
See, putting works too.
Ooh, Jenny! Woo!
She's a decent putter.
She is.
Just imagine what happens when she gets a lab in her hand. See, even for par out of the trees. Yeah, it's.
It goes the wrong way.
I was hoping you were just gonna pull it, or.
I literally can't read those.
Let's do it. Let's do it, home slice. Should be good.
Mm-hmm. I feel like the hybrid might be a little too much.
We got a slight right to left wind, so I mean, if you can ride it, you'll be fine.
I have been playing a little bit of
But you might run up there.
If I get a good kick down that hill.
It's further off. It's further down that hill than you think, but maybe. Yeah, on holes like this, though, I mean, you're happy to kind of be straight, so.
Like that's just a chip off.
Yeah. You're safe.
Yep.
Hot dogs are very important.
They are.
Oh, the weight was okay.
Wait, we're good.
I'm very confused as to where this one's going.
Let's put that in one.
No, that's all.
That's
Dream team there.
That one was a lack of weight.
Yeah, because I'm so fucking confused as to what way it's gonna go.
You just gotta hit it harder and take the brake out of it.
Well, then I can't do that. That's what happened earlier. Just blasted at me.
Well, you gotta blast it, but blast it in the middle of a hole. That's the thing.
Gonna say it's not gonna be any slower than it is.
Set. I fucking hate this hole so much.
Thank you. Oh,
You did hook it. I mean, you'll find it. Your second shot's gonna be trash, though.
that caught the biggest fucking chunk of grass. Every rough shot I've had.
And that's why you fucker hit fairways.
So I'll fire them a message here in a bit. Find out. Nice buck paint. Okay. Okay. And you know what? That's fine because I think we're gonna. Oh, hit the pin. Stop that.
Just leave it.
I didn't know if you seriously wanted me to stop it or not.
Yeah. Where are they going? Yep, yeah. So this is just a weekend trip. Yep. Yep, we'll see. That's. Oh, see you later. All right.
And my ball found the thickest shit. Sit right next to it.
Nice job here.
There we go.
Holy shit, I'm over the green.
You are?
Shouldn't do that.
Smoked it. Okay, Jenny, you smoked one, and I feel like it hit the tree.
It's the thing though, good luck finding those stupid pink golf balls.
Oh, they're so hard to find.
But they're so pretty.
Ooh.
See, I
Oh, she's
wanted to
stepping
say
in my
to the
line.
right or to the left, but it goes right.
I wasn't on your line.
Oh yeah, you
I
were.
was not.
You literally stepped in front of a hole.
That's right.
If this is going dead center of the hole and misses left at the last second, you're walking.
You did something wrong. How to do that?
That was terrible putt.
I only had one cup.
Just get my squats in.
That's all I ever do in my life is that I fake pick things up. I just like. Don't
That
do
seems
that.
like a good line.
If it's far enough, it might be, but it's still not in the fairway. Towed it.
That'll be just fine.
I think so.
A little toey again, but just fine.
He likes it. More trouble.
So like, that's
I suck at this game so much.
Nardy, Ben and Tardy, whatever. The first hole at Cattail. No.
Red tail.
No.
Yeah.
Was it?
Yeah.
I thought it was at Hunter's.
So that red tail, that 50 footer or whatever. It's the first hole at red tail.
No.
Yep.
No.
Yep.
No.
Yep.
No.
You're talking about the very first putt I drained from the front of the green.
That was at
Red tail
fucking
landing.
what used to be Hunter's.
Red tail landing.
No, because I was on the back of it.
Yeah, and I was on the front of it.
I will show you the hole.
So will I.
Anywho.
Let's put money on this, actually.
Well, I'm the one that drained the putt, so you think I'd remember.
I hate that course. I do remember. Get it. Anywho, it was like a 50-foot putt, and we're like, well, let's see how good this putter is. I was like, oh, pretty good, I guess.
That's everyone else. You sold that one, right?
Yeah. I sold it for more than I paid for it.
Right, yeah. Really? You bought it.
Not enough break. Oh, that's a little tee.
It's my little tee that you stole. You can keep it.
Do you have a longer one that I can steal? Thank you.
Where's the little tee that you took from me?
Right there.
That's not it.
Well, that's the one I just pulled out of my pocket.
Okay.
Oh, maybe this one?
It's smaller and has like an orange ring around the bottom.
No, that one isn't, but that's a small one too.
Yeah, I told you. It's small and has an orange ring around the bottom. Red tail landing, my guy. Jesus.
I'm colorblind.
I don't know. What do you mean he wants something? Well, some people are weird. Look at you. Nice shot.
So I went from having 3 tees to none. Now I have 1. That's...
I suck so bad. No. Can't go in. Fuck. That's gonna be my go.
Really?
Like, why am I playing break there? It doesn't break. Another 3 putt.
Dead fucking straight. This whole thing is a hill.
I just told you that.
Well, I wasn't listening. I was focused. G-jangles.
Never play break when you want it to.
All right. I'm gonna find that though.
I believe you will. You're just short of the green on the right side. No, I heeled that one terribly and just got lucky that it's fairway. 130. Yeah, this swing change that Buddy taught me.
It's so hard.
But like on the range.
Because you want to think of... Yeah, because the range you get like fluidity. But then once you start stopping for a bit, you start thinking about it. A little fat?
A little fat and a little right.
I thought the wind was just having much more left to right, or right to left push when we teed off. Because it pushed your drive big time.
I mean, that tee shot was only like 2 inches off the ground.
Oh!
Go in! Oh, nice shot.
Stop!
Too much.
Why did that launch? I had more.
One green that breaks.
I think that's okay.
Fingers crossed. Because I don't know why they went there after that shot.
Because they're dumb.
Good ball. Great ball.
Like, where were they hiding that they were all in the trees like that? That's impressive.
They must have been back behind that gully
Yeah.
and then ripped over to here and then shot over to there and then came back up over there.
Nice shot.
Good ball.
Oh, we'll take that.
Well, you should.
I should.
You should.
I will. Thank you.
Fine.
Thank you.
Fine then.
Be that way. Steven. Can he finally make a birdie? We'll find out soon. What a shot!
That was a shot. Beautiful. Loved it. Right out of the center. You're just like...
Yeah, no,
It's a nice ball.
it's really nice. Do you want me to move that?
No birdies for Sean. All right, 222. should be okay. I think you're just on the fringe there.
Could be.
Just short.
Yeah.
Ah, it's okay.
I wish mine did that.
It's not bad. A little spinner. Get in there. Bobbing up and down there, still pretty close, I think. What are you doing? Put that back.
Best golf attire ever. Sick wife beater, bud. Sorry.
Plug it. Think it's okay? You should be okay, just sand.
Leaking right. What's up behind those bunkers?
What do you mean? Nothing. Go the other way. Oh, I hit it so good
I'm
too.
gonna try and play the biggest flop here.
Like, and it's into the wind, isn't it? Like this is a.
Oh god.
That's a hell of a flop.
Go.
Good flop.
I borrow your putter. The handspring line. Thank you.
The money shot.
He putts left-handed with his right-handed putter, so. See ya.
Good game.
Good game.
Thank you, everybody.
These are yours?
Those are mine.